This video shows how to buy shares of Cityvarasto Oyj, a Finnish self-storage company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker CITYVA.HE. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker CITYVA.HE to locate the listing. Confirm you select the Cityvarasto Oyj share from the search results. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to make sure this is the correct listing. Verify the company name and ticker read Cityvarasto Oyj, CITYVA.HE. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before you confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to deposit money before the purchase completes. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.